Hello, my name is Ingrid. They are going to Trivandrum. I told them they could stay the night, and I will drive them to Bangalore tomorrow. It's good.
And where are you staying, Ingrid?
I am staying in a villa with my friends. It's very nice.
Yes?
It's
How long have you been here?
I've been here several weeks now.
Lovely.
Yes.
And you stay for much longer?
I like to stay forever.
Beautiful.
I like to never go home.
Beautiful.
You believe I am ready for start?
Go.
It's good. For starting the bike.
So, Ingrid.
Das ist gut, ja?
Yeah? What are you doing today, later?
I like to go to the beach later. It's good.
You like to swim in the sea?
I love to swim in the sea. It's very refreshing. Yes?
Yes?
I like it.
You like dancing?
I love dancing. Going house party is good. Full moon party is nice too. Yes, it's good.
Thank you very much for coming along today, Ingrid.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Nice. People are good in Canada. It's good. Canadian beer is very good too. Like it. Canadian beer is very nice. And good for you too. Is good for the hair and the nails. See, it's good Canadian beer nails. It's good.